Crawford, Crawford, Crawford.
For PEP, we want to get the best teachers, best trained persons in PEP. And then we are going to have Saturday and Sunday classes for a thing called Mommy and Me. Some people say, why not Daddy? Because most of the people who are parents are single mothers. But if fathers want to come, they are very welcome. The name is just Mommy and Me. And for Mommy and Me, both the parent and the child come to the class. It means that after the Saturday class and the Sunday class, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the mother is then able to assist the child because the mother is also trained. But the mother's greater experience and exposure allow for whatever the child will understand, the mother is likely to understand through the Mommy and Me. Therefore, getting in all of our schools persons that are more ready for high school. We have recognized in this constituency, for example, that we have one school in the top 50 in the rankings, top 5 subjects including math and English, and that is Titchfield High School. After that, we have Port Antonio High, Happy Grove at 72, Port Antonio High at 131, and what's the other school? Fair Prospect at 141 out of 161 schools. So there's a school in this constituency with an 11% chance of getting 5 subjects. And that is not sufficient for them. So we want to get the entrance into the school to be of a greater caliber, greater quality, so that they're ready for first form. Thank you, madam. We look again and we see that no child take up a book voluntarily. I didn't. I don't know if you would take up a book voluntarily. But we used to get beaten for take up a book. One time my father beat me till I dog biting. The dog was saying this was not right. And so we want to create an environment for study, because when your parents broke and your father hustle and your mother hustle, or your father unavailable and your mother hustle, you go home between 2:30 and 8:30 with nobody to create an environment for study. So out of our CDF funds, we want to pay the teachers a little extra to have homework centers after school. There's one particular school that will make very difficult for homework center, which is Port Antonio High, because it's a shift school. And therefore, we have identified another school that was closed down since this government, since this year actually, called called Fellowship Primary and Junior High. Now, Nanny is one of 2 heroes that don't have a high school. So we want to change Fellowship Primary and Junior High, which is now closed, into Nanny High School, and then